Open a Shopify store with this Chrome extension web scraper called Thunderbit on one side, then click One-Click Extract. Thunderbit takes over the browser and starts analyzing the product listings on the page. It scrolls through the store and starts detecting the layout of each product. Then it prepares the extraction fields like product name, price, image, product URL, and more. Confirm the suggested fields, then hit Run Now. Now Thunderbit collects the Shopify product data and organizes everything in the background. Once it finishes, open the result table. The spreadsheet now loads with the extracted product listing data. You can use it for product research, price tracking, competitor analysis, and marketing analysis. Then copy, download, or share the table as clean, ready-to-use data. Try Thunderbit free on thunderbit.com.